Hi everyone! Welcome to the Week 12 presentation. My name is Lovenel Cabiques and I am with Mark Angelo Ilnasen, Jerry Roda Laure, Marife Vallecera, Nova May Pinales, Jonathan Kirpos, and Julianne Pacbas. And I am thrilled to introduce to all of you the Servant Leadership Simulation. Servant leadership is a leadership philosophy where the leader's primary focus is on serving others, such as employees, customers, and the community, rather than prioritizing their own needs and desires. In servant leadership, the leader's main goal is to support and empower those they lead, fostering a culture of trust, collaboration, and growth. Good morning, Doc. Morning, Doc. Good morning, Doc.
Good morning, masters. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Okay, so good morning, masters. Master Marife and Master Laure. Okay, so we conduct our meeting today.
Uh, what is it all about, Doc?
Okay, so our project name, Project 3 Rs.
And what it is all about?
It's all about to help our learners to have a comprehension in terms of reading and to practice them. Okay, so do you have a record about
So,
our
here's are the records doc sa mga frustrated with readers.
okay, so ubay-ubay mga itong frustrated readers from grade 4 to grade 6. Okay, we catered grade 4 to grade 6. How about you, ma'am? Master?
Can you look at this, Doc?
Okay. So, the
That are
question...
the infos of the struggle reader student.
Okay, so the question is, ngano nagpa itabutan ni Master? It because, diba during the pandemic, diba, itong mga learners nato is at home sila, modular class. So, pag abot gani, pag eskwela na face to face, nagkalisod sila o papasa. So, we conduct our project 3 Rs next week. Okay, so
Okay, it's fine.
are you ready?
Next week.
Because we have our partnership with Oppo Community College. So, as master, as also your principal or the school head in Katag Elementary School. So, ako yung responsible to serve you as my masters and to also to our students, learners, and our parents. So, dapat sila ma-involve ani na project. So, isa man, do you have any suggestion, master?
For that, Doc, we'll make it to ensure that the students will really know about this plan so that they will be aware of what the benefits of the student will have to. Then maybe we will cooperate with the school facilitators of the Paul Community College so that they will be informed soon.
Okay, so how about the schedules? Do you have any concern about that?
Um, if we talk about the schedules, so mag-start with the next doc.
Yes.
So, ang mga is gusto kong magsugod ko by 8 o'clock but
8 o'clock.
ang mga magpabasa is dapat 7:30. Diri na sila sa school. Kay give ta og time in and time out.
Okay,
Then
so
mag-validate din ta every session nga mag-anis sila para ma-inform ta o makabalot ta nga naagid sila and makabalot ta ang mga improvement sa every student sa mga perspective.
okay, so how about the resources? Just like, for example, the instructional materials to help the students about the materials.
Actually, no, because the Apple Community College is still a student.
Okay.
We need to make it sure that our teachers will be provided the lesson material so that it's easy for the Apple Community College student to come here without any circumstances.
Okay, so thank you, ma'am. So, do you have any question, ma'am?
No, sir.
Any question?
Nothing, Doc.
Okay, so we conduct our comment. We have our program, the opening program. Um, so, what one? What specific time ka magsugot?
On Monday.
Monday? So, next week? Okay?
Maybe we can, if it's okay with you, we can
Mag-start na ba tayo with that day, ma'am, na after the opening program,
Orientation.
mag-orientation?
Orientation.
Okay, so, para ma-aware po sila. Di ba?
Or dili mabigla ang mga
Di ba bigla ang students?
For the
especially?
orientation process is we need to make it sure that the student of Apple Community College will be attended so that they will be aware of the regulations of the school and they will be also encounter the students that who are they will be learned to.
Okay, so I have record for this. So grade 4, we have our prostrate readers. We got 32, grade 4. Okay, so
Copy the
Master Marife, you handle this grade 4 and grade 5. Okay? And Master Laure, grade 6 ka ma'am. Okay, so this, do you have any question?
Nothing po, Doc.
Okay, so thank you. So,
Thank you, Doc.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today? Okay, so thank you na amudaan ni sa ato ang opening program para sa orientation. Kasi orientation na to, Dani? Itawag mo? Project 3 R's. Read, remediate, and reread. Okay, so because of the pandemic, na yung mga bata tabangan na to. Tabangan na to ba? Master? Okay, tabangan na to sa pagbasa. Okay, dapat na to sila i-motivate para ano man. Yes, ma'am? You are? Okay, what's your name? Okay, from Oppo Community College. Okay, natay, we are thankful because Oppo Community College na tabang sila sa tuwa. Para anina program. Okay. So next week, start na ta master. Okay, as your principal, as your program head, I will serve you. Diba? And also, our master, guide sa itong mga teacher, pre-serving teacher from Oppo Community College. Okay, thank you everyone. So, maayong buntag. Okay, do you have a question? Yes, ma'am. Yes? How about the schedule? Okay, so master, can you? Okay.
Thank you, Doc. Let's talk about the schedule. So, this coming Monday, the project period will be started. Then, students in Apple Community College must be here at 7:30 a.m. in the morning. And walay magpalas uso. Okay? As you hear, we will be training you as a better future teacher soon. Okay? Any questions regarding this? Okay, thank you everyone.
Okay, so thank you Master Maripet. So thank you ma'am. So sugod di man na magsugod na tong project PR. So that's all. Thank you.
It was December 15th and Mrs. Espinosa, our homeroom teacher, asked class, do you know what we will celebrate tonight? Or rather, early tomorrow. Yes, teacher. Simbang gabi will start tomorrow morning. Everybody answered. At the end of the lesson, the pupils should be able to give a possible ending to a story heard this week.
Good morning, everyone. So we are now here at Patag Elementary School to be held with our culminating program. So let's me call on our master teacher, Miss Marifel Onicera, and Mr. Elnasen, our principal, school principal. So our first, let's give the floor to our master teacher, Miss Marifel Onicera.
Let's give a round of
Let's
applause.
give a round of applause.
So thank you for our wonderful and beautiful MC. So I'm here in front of you to be thankful that despite of the challenges that we face in coming here in Patag Elementary School, but then we are here at last na humanagyud ta. So I'm very thankful for you guys that you help us na ma-develop ang ating mga students because we all know that they are all frustrated readers. But now, nakita din nato ang ilang mga progress. They all know how to read in this time. So, let's clap our hands for ourselves. Thank you. So, let's make a come on to our beloved principal, Dr. Mark Angelo Nasir.
Okay, so thank you, Master. So once again, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to give thanks. Thank you for coming this morning. So salamat po kaayo sa ato ang mga pre-service teacher na nagtudlo sa atong mga bata and also sa atong ka-partnership nato na ang Opol Community College. So and also from the parents nagigay mga parents nato diha. Okay, salamat kayo sa pag-guide nila, pag-guide nila, pag-uli sa balay. Because without you, teachers, and also parents, hindi na tumatabangan itong mga bata. Diba? Diba? Because we believe that education is the key of success. So, dapat kita makabalog basa kay makatabang siya sa ato future. Because our learners, sa ginaingon pa ni sa ato ang bayani na sila ang pag-asa sa ato ang bayan. So, kita, we have to give our support and to motivate them na sila'y ma. Okay, so thank you once again. Salamat kayo.
True leadership is not about being served, but about serving others with humility and compassion unknown.